Hi, I'm Jeff Gerrein, Facilities Operations Manager, and here is how the library is putting your tax dollars to work. Here at the library in October, we have the tower room. Ceiling has been completed, new lights have been installed, and it's been put back together and back in service. As you can see here, it was quite a job just to get the 3 new boilers down to the boiler room. They came in through the loading dock and were lifted with a forklift and a hoist to lower them down through the pit from the loading dock to the boiler room. The workers then used pallet jacks to roll them back into the place where they've been installed. And here they are installed and new piping being run to them. We anticipate the arrival of all the new air handlers for the energy retrofit will be here by the end of October and will start being installed over the next month. We will have one of the boilers up and running by the end of October. Here you can see the north building roof is completed. The south building was completed a few years ago, and now the whole main library roofing system is good for the next 30 years. For more information about how the library is putting your tax dollars to work, visit cincinnatilibrary.org/nextgenerationlibrary.